Ready in 10 minutes. No yeast, no oven, very easy to make and absolutely delicious. Crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. To a bowl, add all-purpose flour, baking powder, freshly grated nutmeg, sugar, and mix together until well combined. Now let's add the wet ingredients. Add egg and evaporated milk. I added the milk in bits to ensure I get the perfect texture to achieve the end result, which is crunchy and fluffy. Mix together until well combined. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Once the batter is ready, set aside and allow to rest for around 5 minutes. Now to a pot with oil. Once it is hot, add the batter. I am using ice cream scoop to add the batter. Feel free to use your hands, just grease it with a bit of oil. Now the secret to frying the perfect buns is do not overcrowd the oil and ensure you're using enough oil to deep fry. Fry on medium heat for around 5 to 10 minutes. The frying time, of course, will depend on the size of your dough. Flip at intervals to ensure that all sides fry uniformly. And once it is ready, remove from the heat and enjoy. Do you see how crunchy it looks on the outside and fluffy on the inside? Absolutely delicious and irresistible. Thank you so much for watching if you've watched the video up to this point. And until next time, remain blessed.